Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making white egg cookies. In Holland we call them Eierkoeken. These are so delicious. They are a bit of a mix between a cake and a cookie, and it tastes a bit like a macaron. But yeah, just way bigger, and bigger is better, right? So let's start.
Here are all the ingredients we're going to use today. Put a bowl over some hot water and make sure the bowl doesn't hit the water. Add 3 eggs and grate the zest of a lemon. Make sure not to grate the white stuff because that tastes bitter. With a hand mixer, whip the eggs until they become loose. Now add all of the sugar and keep mixing. You can use a thermometer to whip the eggs until they hit 70 degrees Celsius. If you don't have one, just keep mixing until the eggs become pale and have tripled in volume. When the eggs have reached this state, remove it from the heat and sift in your powdered sugar, cornstarch and flour. Make sure to work quickly because the mixture will deflate. Fold everything together to keep as much air in the mixture as possible. Add your vanilla and stir one last time until everything is mixed. Now add everything to a piping bag. Grab a high glass or jar so you can easily spoon in the mixture. Pipe 8 rounds on a baking tray aligned with parchment paper. Next, leave them to rest on room temperature for at least 1 hour. This is a very important step and don't skip it. In the meanwhile, preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius, and once the cookies have rested, bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. And enjoy!
And that's it! I want to thank you so much for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the bell, and let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I'll see you in the next one.